Earth is losing ice at an alarming pace. Every year, 182.5 gigatons gone. That's over half a gigaton per day, melting from glaciers, sea ice, and ice sheets. And with it goes more than just frozen water. We're losing our planet's thermal regulator. That ice reflects sunlight. It cools ocean currents, and it locks away dissolved carbon dioxide in deep, cold waters. When it disappears, the Earth absorbs more heat, and the oceans exhale stored CO2 back into the sky. The result? A climate feedback loop. Warmer, less ice, less cooling, even warmer. But what if we could reverse that loop? Introducing the SnowPanel Lighthouse Tower, a towering sea-based climate solution that converts seawater into snow and artificial floating icebergs, called CryoBergs. CryoBerg, a new term for a new era. A floating ice mass formed from cryogenic aerosolization of seawater using SnowPanel mist towers, each fitted with 4 centrifugal water vapor mist pumps, which releases water vapor into a fine mist that freezes and grows into artificial snow crystals in the cold polar air. Once a CryoBerg forms, it has the functionally equivalent in size and cooling power to traditional icebergs. These aren't science fiction. They're precision-engineered systems designed to restore the cryosphere in real time. Deployed just beyond 60 degrees latitude, at 59 degrees north and 61 degrees south, they operate outside restrictive treaty zones while remaining in cold, ice-forming waters. In fact, these zones are legally ideal, outside the Antarctic Treaty, but still below freezing. And here's what just 84 towers can do each year. Process 1,348 gigatons of seawater, convert it into 772 gigatons of artificial snow and ice. That's the equivalent of 373 full-size CryoBergs, remove 52 gigatons of CO2, the full Paris Agreement annual drawdown target. Cool the planet by up to 0.5 to 1.0 degrees Celsius per decade. That's 4.2 times more ice than we're currently losing. With towers spaced every 20 kilometers, the entire global deployment fits into just 4.36% of the Earth's polar ocean belt, a narrow surgical band of impact with global consequences. In short, legal zones, scalable engineering, maximum planetary leverage. This isn't a speculative technology. It's a blueprint for restoring the Earth's lost ice, cooling the oceans, and reversing global warming. CryoBerg's SnowPanel. Climate restoration you can build today.